Hi, thank you so much for joining. Hi, Raw Kitchen. Hi, my darling. How are you doing? Thank you so much for joining today's live. How are you doing? How are you doing? Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. As you join, like and subscribe if it's your first time. If it's your first time, like and subscribe. We have just started the live. So let me know where you're watching me from. Let me know where you're watching me from. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for joining. Welcome all. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe if it's your first time here. Thank you for joining, guys. Thank you. Where are you watching me from, guys? Where are you watching Claudia Works from? Where are you watching me from? That just comment down below where you're watching Claudia Works from. Where are you watching me from? Today big on a Wednesday. Tuesday, sorry. Oh, my week is running. My week is running very fast. Thank you guys for joining. Let me know where you're watching me from. Let me know where you're watching Claudia Works from. Today I am on this side. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Where are you watching me from? And yes, let's go to Jamaica. Let's go to Jamaica. Let's go to Jamaica. So if you're watching from Jamaica, just comment down below. All from the Caribbean. Remember, there is a time we were trying to check on the places that are good for me when I visit there, and we did not come into conclusion about that. So yes, we need to finalize. We need to finalize on this once and for all. Those who have joined, thank you. Thank you. I can see people are still joining. We are 6. Let's wait for others to join. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Thank you guys for joining. Comment down below where you're watching me from. Just comment. Comment where you're watching Claudia Works from as we wait for others to join. I know it's a bit late for me. It's 4 minutes to 9. And I promised you that I will go live at 8:30. But you. Hi, Kenneth. Hi, good evening, baby. Good evening. How are you doing? You miss also. Chamge. Yes, let's continue as we wait for others to join, and also like the live, share with your friends. Yes. Are we still going to Jamaica? I'm looking for company. I'm looking for a company. We go to Jamaica together. Missing mkoaje lakini how was your day? My day was good. My day was good. What about yours? How was your day? How was your day? How was your day? Mine was good. Hi, Claudia. Hi, Clinton. How are you doing? Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining today's live. How are you doing? It was great, thanks to the Almighty God. Oh, thank you so much. We thank God. We thank God. And I'm happy that your day was good. Mine was also good. Yes. Let me know where you're watching me from, guys, as we wait for others to join. Today we are on this side. So if you're a YouTuber, I'm looking for a company. We go to Jamaica together in the month of June. In the month of June or July. Month of June or July. So if you're willing, you are capable of paying the flight tickets, accommodation, and everything, just comment down below. I need people, like 3 people will be safe. Me, I can't go alone, honestly, because of my safety. I love myself. I am watching you live from Nande Hills. Oh, that's so amazing. That's so amazing, my love. So I just need 3 people, all 4. There is no limit, but minimum 3. We go to Jamaica together. We go to Jamaica together. James, hi dear, I'm in Uganda. I love you, dear. You are so beautiful. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Yes, I'm in Nairobi, Kenya. Hi, Claudia. Hi, Norman. Thank you so much. We are going to Jamaica, so I need like 3 people. 3 people, we go together. If you are capable capable of paying the flight tickets, the accommodation, and everything, transfers and everything, just comment down below. I include you in the list. We have No Hong Kwan Shamane. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome, and also like the live. We have Kenneth again. Wow, how is the budget for the trip? Now we want to know. We want to know. We want to know. We can come up with our budget. We can come up with our budget. That's why I want those who will be willing to go. We will just sit down and come up with a budget. Yes. Just comment. We are going to Jamaica. Those who are willing to accompany me to go to Jamaica, just comment down below. I'm looking for people. Before August, that is between these 3 months. Either June, July, or August. June, July, or August. Those 3 months. Not yet decided which month, but among those 3 months, just 1 month. Yes, so for round trip, it will be as approximately $2,000. That is the round trip, For the round trip, approximately $2,000. And also it will depend with the airline, the booking time. Yeah, and also the season. A lot of things will determine. So I just need like 2 or 3 people who are willing to accompany me, and then after that we'll come up with a budget, and then we'll see what to do from there. Lucy Mwangi, hi my love, thank you so much for joining. Like and subscribe if it's your first time. Welcome. We are going to Jamaica. Are you willing to go with us? Are you willing to go with us? Peter, I'm here, my daughter. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining, Peter. How are you? And where are you watching me from? So, I'm trying to look for people who will accompany me to go to Jamaica. So, just know that the trip will be expensive, eh? So I need someone who is willing, whether you are a YouTuber, content creator, whether you are just normal person like me, we can go together. No money, no money, no money. January, no money. And you know that January, no money. Watching live with bro here, Abraham and dad. Say hi to them and tell them I love them so much. Say hi to them and tell them I love them so much. Eh? Yes, so if you're willing to go with me to Jamaica, we are going in either the month of June, July, and August. And we want to start planning as early as possible. We want to start planning as early as possible. And we will stay we will stay there for 3 weeks to 1 month. Hi Paul. Hi Paul, how are you, my love? How are you doing? How are you doing? Thank you so much for those who are joining. Let me know. Let me know those who are willing to. Honestly. And I am serious about this. I am serious about this. I'm waiting for you guys to comment. Those who want to go, I don't want to leave anyone behind. Don't want to leave anyone behind. I just want to go with everyone here. Just want to go with everyone here. Don't be left behind. Just know that we will explore. We will enjoy Jamaica. Jamaica is just a beautiful country. I've always wanted to visit the country, but this is the time now. This is the time now. This is the right time now, guys. So let me know if you're willing to go with me, so that we can plan together. I know most of you want to go, but they are scared. The way you are scared is the same way I'm scared too. That's why I don't want to go alone. It's not like Jamaican people are bad. No, they are good people. I've interacted with some of them, but the ones I know, they are not in the country right now. So I need someone to accompany me. We have a desert. I'm here explorer. Welcome, my dear. Feel at home. Mark, hi. How are you doing, Mark? We have like and done. Oh, thank you so much. William, you are welcome and good evening. Good evening to my dear. How are you doing? We are trying to discuss about going to Jamaica. I'm looking for 2 or 3 people who are willing to go with me. Me, I can't go alone because this is a new country I've never been into, and I'm a lady, as you know. So if you're willing to go with me, we need to do a budget. Yes. Paul, sweetheart even means I am Zambia Chemical Company. Oh, you are working. I wish you all the best there. Just work smart. Don't work hard. Don't work hard, work smart. We will explore Jamaica and the Caribbean. Are we desert? Can we go together? We can travel there. Yes, definitely we can do. I'm trying to plan we go on the month of June, July, or August. I'm trying to check on something. I'm trying to check on something. Yes, I'm going to. I just want to visit a country, to explore, to visit different places. So I need someone to accompany me. So just if you want to go, just have a minimum, the budget. I try to calculate the budget all inclusive for 3 weeks. Have 400,000 Kenyan shillings. That is like how many dollars? Let's say 4,000. I only need to renew my passport. Definitely going to Jamaica, you don't require a visa. It's a free visa country. What you need is just passport. You are required to have a passport and that's all. Does Jamaica have a desert? Norman and Clinton. We have, I think, I don't know. Let me check if they have a desert. How much is the ticket? How much is the... Let's say the ticket will be... The ticket I had checked... Also, the ticket will depend on the airline, the season, and also... A lot of things will determine the flight ticket. Booking time, airline, the season. So between $1,000 to $2,000 US dollars. Between $1,000 to $2,000 USD dollars. Michelle, Carlton Michelle. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. How are you doing? It's a round trip, round trip. So I did some small calculation. The cheapest, the budget all inclusive, just have a minimum of 400,000 Kenyan shillings. 400,000 Kenyan shillings. Accommodation, the flight tickets, the transfers, the food and everything. Yes. That is for the round trip. That is for the round trip. Let me check with Kenya Airways. Why not Joseph Wabura? Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. How are you doing? Yes, I'm trying to check. It's expensive, like an acre of land here. Thank you. Thank you. I'm trying to check. Nafsa towards, I don't know. I want to study English, but I am in Senegal. I can as well teach you English, my love. I can as well teach you English for 1 month or 2 at a small fee. Not that one English is tough. It's difficult and I'll charge you a small fee, a small rate, if you want to know English. Yes, it's an acre of land. Just have the minimum. If you want to live in those standard 5-star hotel, transfers, expensive. I have like 740,000. I tried to weigh the two, but the minimum, the cheapest, I did on the lower side. Just have a minimum of 400,000 Kenyan shillings to go to Jamaica. Jamaica does not have a desert. Oh, thank you so much. What we have in Jamaica is all the beaches. But I personally, I don't know Jamaica. That's why I want to go and see it by myself. That's why I want to go and see it by myself. They like me earn $6 per month. I don't know what we are going to do about that. Desert explorers. I don't know what we are going to do about that. I'm there, back on FC. Okay, you changed your name. Welcome. Welcome. I suspected that it is in Caribbean. Yes, it's in Caribbean. All beaches there. You can't find a desert there. Beaches everywhere. Beaches everywhere. So if you're willing to go with me, just comment down below or follow me on my Instagram, Claudia Walks, so that we can start planning the trip. And also, if there is someone who is willing to go, we can request. We can request our subscribers or our followers if they need to support one of you. Let me start traveling to Uganda. Yes, because Uganda is not far. Uganda is not that far. We always start small before we become bigger. We start from somewhere. We start somewhere. There is someone who was saying that wants me to teach. Anyway, I was kidding about the charging you a small rate of teaching you English. I was not serious. I was kidding you. I am from Jamaica, living in Canada. Oh, that's nice. We are going to Jamaica. We are going to your country very soon in the month of either June, July, or August. That's my plan. That's my plan, and I'm looking for someone we go together. Maybe someone who is willing from Africa. Someone who is willing maybe from Africa, we can go together. We can go together and explore. That's all. We want to learn more about these countries. So let me know if you're willing to, or if you feel like you want to go with me, we can as well go. Stephen Mwirori, hi my love, thank you so much for joining. How are you? How are you, and where are you watching me from? Those who are joining right now, kindly subscribe and like if it's your first time. Norman Richards, I would like to go with you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, go and follow me on my Instagram. Go and follow me on my Instagram so that we can start planning our trip. Honestly, if you are willing to go and you are ready, just go and follow me on Instagram. Text me there, I'll respond. Just text me, tell me that, hey, Claudia, this is so and so. I would like to accompany you to Caribbean. I will respond. That does not even know how to use fork spoons. Let me tell you one thing. I said it to myself. You don't know how to use two spoons, right? If you go to an hotel, that's your money. That's your money. Here in Africa, we are used to, most of the time, we are used to our culture. Sometimes we eat ugali using our hands. Some food we use our hands, not spoon, not those other spoons and chopsticks and all those. Don't forget that's your money you are paying in that hotel. Use your hands to eat. Don't struggle eating. Use your hands. Yes. I personally, I will embarrass you. That's my money, and I can't forget our culture, number one. I can't forget where I come from. Great, I will follow, then we take from there. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you so much. I appreciate a lot. Don't be afraid, my dear, to eat. You will see someone in the hotel eating chicken with that, I don't know what, struggling. You are struggling to find that money, and you will struggle eating that money. You are joking. You are joking. Well, I'm very scared of flying. Just say that you fear heights, eh? You fear heights. But it's just like you will get used to it. First start flying from maybe Mombasa, Nairobi, Laikipia, Mombasa, Laikipia, Nairobi. You will get used to it, eh? We have SPD Lokondon. Hello, baby. Hello, my love. Thank you so much for joining. How are you today? I can easily spill the food in the plane. I will sort that out. I'll give you medicine. I will give you medicine. Felix, hi, my love. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome. So don't scare. You can't struggle finding that money and also struggle when eating. Guys, struggling like cutting the chicken like. No, it's your money. Eat with use your hand to eat like this. Yes. We are Africans. We are not afraid of anything. You know, as where we are going wrong as Africans, we are following the West. Why are we forgetting ourselves? Why do we want to do like others? No, let's change. Let's change. Afadhali mtu aseme mi kwa wenye wanaelewa, afadhali mtu aseme mimi ni mshamba. Honestly, for those who understanding Swahili, afadhali mtu aseme mimi ni mshamba. Lakini sita struggle kutafuta pesa na struggle kukula. So, even plain toilets are complicated to use. Me, I personally will teach you how to use them. I will teach you how to use them. So, if you want to go with me, just comment down below, or you go and follow me on my Instagram. If we get like 5 people, that's okay. The company will be good. We will enjoy. I will not get bored alone. I'm doing good. I'm doing beautiful. I'm doing good, beautiful. Thank you so much. Have you subscribed? Have you subscribed? We have MD Use. How are you? I'm okay. I am okay. MD Asasujansa. Your name is so hard. I am okay. So let me know. Let me know, guys. If you are willing to go with me, embracing you, subscribe mapemba. Asante sana. Asante sana na Mungu akubariki. Karibu sana kwenye familia. So guys, me, I'm trying to teach you. Me, honestly, don't go and do like the way others are doing. You see the whites normally do like, why are we following them? Why are we following what they normally do? We are Africans. Let's not forget ourselves. If it's ugali, just eat with your hands. Why are you struggling to use a spoon? We have been raised different. Where are you? I'm in Kenya. I'm in Kenya, Africa, my love. We are planning a trip to go to Jamaica, all Caribbean. So if you are willing to, let me know. My Instagram account is Claudia Walks. Let me text you, pin it somewhere. Claudia Walks. You will see the same me. Either the month, we have 3 months. We have 3 months to choose one. Either June, July, or August. We want to plan early. The reason why I want people to join me is that we can start now planning, doing the budgeting and all that. We'll be staying there for 2 to 3 weeks. Maximum. Maximum, eh? That's my Instagram account. That's my Instagram account. I've just pinned the name there. I am not African. I'm a Ugandan. And where is Uganda? Palosi, Kawanguzi. And where is Uganda? Uganda is in East Africa. You are an African. Norman, Richard, August, please. It's okay. If things goes well here, it's okay. It's okay. We can go either June, July, or August. The reason why I'm saying June, July, August is because here in the month of June and July, it's very, very cold. Very cold. It's very cold. Claudia, you are so right about that. Please don't lose your car. I can't forget. And me, better someone said that I'm a village girl. Honestly. Me, I can't struggle. I can't struggle. The way my mother taught me, I can't deviate from that. So I was saying that the reason we are choosing the 3 months, out of the 3 months, just 1 month is because June, July, it's cold here. And also the cold can extend up to maybe early August. I'm Ethiopian, you were after. Okay, my love, thank you so much. Subscribe if it's your first time. Subscribe if it's your first time. So if you want to go with me, just follow me on Instagram, Claudia Walks. Tell me that you are willing to go. We go together. We will start doing a budget, but I did a small research about it, but going the cheapest way. Because don't expect me to eat in those big hotel where we have kibadaski, the streets. You know, here we love streets. So during the day, we will not be spending in the hotels. We'll be just around walking up and down. So the minimum is 400,000 Kenyan shillings. Hi, beautiful girl. How are you? I'm Chika from Malawi. Thank you so much, Chika from Malawi, and welcome to today's live. If it's your first time, kindly subscribe, share with your friends, and also welcome to the family. We have Mary. Hi, Mary. How are you doing? Hello, Mary. Mary Amalemba. Where are you watching me from? 400,000. Yes, and that is minimum. That is minimum, and we are going the cheapest way. I know that is an acre of land. I know that is an acre of land here, but don't be scared. Don't be scared about it. That's just small money. Mary, uko pande gani ya Kenya? Unataka twende Jamaica? So if you're willing to go to Jamaica with me, just comment below. I'm willing to go with you, but I want to stay there forever with you. But me, I can't stay there forever because I have other things to do here in Kenya. Remember, I am a farmer. I have to check on my farm and other things. I have other things to run here. Karama. Where is Karama? So me, I personally, if you want to stay there forever, you can as well go and stay there forever. But for me, I have a lot of things to do here in Kenya. I love my country. I embrace it. And also, what? Hey, Miss Claudia, welcome to Jamaica. Please let me know when you are. And I will bring a fresh coconut. The water will give you energy for the tour of my beautiful country. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Conrad Prinkle. And I can't wait to meet you over there. So, Claudia, so if it's cold in Kenya, when is it warm in Kenya? Right now, it's warm. It's hot. The weather is hot. But no, our weather is not that bad. When it's cold, it does not meet that coldness. No. Just something which is manageable. Right now, the weather is hot, but not that much. Mary, what do you mean? Karam, where do you come from? Where are you watching me from? Silver Force, Claudia Walks, how are you doing? Me, I am doing good. I need someone to accompany me. Silver Fox, I need someone to accompany me to Jamaica. Either the month of June, July, or August. Shimmering sun. So from the month of okay, it goes like this. January, the start of January, it's rainy season. That early, like let's say 15th and below, we have rain. No, let me not count like that. Let's say January, February, hot. March, rains. Okay, rains. And the rains are so heavy, it's a planting season. Then let's go to June, July, cold, and summer of August, early August is cold. And then let's say mid-August to September and summer of October, it's hot. Then from the month of October 20th, that is planting season again. The rain will start until December or January. So it goes like that. I like your name. Thank you so much, my love. My name is Claudia. Go and follow me on Instagram, Claudia Walks. And if you're willing to come and meet to Jamaica, comment down below. And those are willing to come to Kenya, also comment down below. Hayamia Palos Kawanguzi. Your name is hard. Very hard to pronounce. So, if you're willing to go with me, just comment down below. You promised me mangoes. Yes, I'm bringing you mangoes. You want some? I have a lot of mangoes in the house. Just come for them. Claudia, when ready my question and you made that sound, you sounded just like a Jamaican, I swear. We are really related. We are brothers. You are brothers and sisters. We are related. The climate there, the way you do things, the same way we do things here. The way you normally do things there, the same way we do here. No difference at all. The difference now we have is maybe the language you speak. That's the only the thing which makes us different from you. So Palosika Wanguzi, are you willing? Are you willing? We need to plan early as possible, and we start saving money for the trip. Guys, don't fail me, please. Don't fail us. It's okay. Go and follow me on Instagram. Text me there, Claudia Walk, so that we can start planning as early as possible. We can start planning. That is so true. Yes, very true. I suggest you get Dimwango to help you tour Jamaica. This way you can't go wrong. Do you know how getting some people, it's hard? Very hard getting some people. And also, I don't want to involve like those big YouTubers now. I'm just doing my things in my own way. Remember, the Mwango has got her own plans and I can't interfere with. I also have my own plans, which I cannot interfere with. Another thing you should know is that me, have you ever seen, you know, you're telling me about the Mwango. Have you ever seen me in Nyambohanze? Have you ever seen me in Nyambohanze village? And also sometimes I try to avoid dramas. That's why I don't like interacting with people. That's why most of the time you see me here alone. So it was a good idea, but I just want to do it with my fans only. With my fans only. A good idea, but for me, I would suggest I go with my fans. But get for me someone to go with, like most beautiful Kamba lady. No, remember, this will be a trip. But anyway, if you are willing to pay, you can get someone. Not me giving you someone, Kamba, because I don't know. But anyway, this will be a trip to learn. This will be a learning trip. Let me put it like that way. We are not going to do a lot of things, no. How far is that from you? What? Nyambohanze? Nyambohanze is 13 hours drive from where I am right now. Going with a flight is just 1 hour, around 1 hour, 30 minutes. I pay for her. It's okay. It's okay, no problem. If you are going to pay for her, no problem. If you are going to pay for her, that's no problem. So, for me, Nyambohanze is 13 hours, 12 to 13 hours drive from Nairobi. If you are going to pay for her, it's okay. But usually the teacher but usually the teacher. Hello, hello, my love. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome to today's live. Like and subscribe if it's your first time. So, yes, I am saying this. I want to go with my fans. I don't want to involve someone from outside. Only me and you. I know you're watching this, you're in Jamaica. I will meet you. We will explore together. We'll do this thing together. That's what I'm going to do. And you guys, one thing you should know is that me, I don't do things because other people are doing. I do whatever I want and what I feel like is right. Okay, that's some distance, Claudia. Yes, it's distance, and me, I am not used to those long distance. I'm not used to the long distance. Maybe if I catch a flight, 1 hour, that minutes I'll be there. But me, I personally, I have no business over there. So, mm-mm. It's a long journey going there from Nairobi. From Nairobi. We have Palino. Hi, Palino. Hello. Thank you so much for joining. Like if it's your first time, subscribe too. Yes, you guys. Me, I want to go with the fans, you and me. People to volunteer themselves from here, not from me requesting people from outside. We do things our own way. We do things as family. We do things the way we are. But connect for me, the beautiful one. Me, I don't connect people with girls. Me, this is not a dating site, my dear. This is not a dating site. But when you come to Kenya, beautiful ladies are here. Where are you from? I'm from Kenya, Africa. I am from Kenya, Africa, my dear. I can talk to her for you. I will talk to David Jr. So you visit his home. No, and I can never. I won't go there. It's not in a bad way, but me, I don't like dramas. You know Claudia very well. I am a very professional person. Very professional, very mature enough to know when to do things, the time, the place. Yes, that's me. I don't like dramas. And if I was to go there, I could have gone like 2 years ago. But, yeah, we do things our own way. Don't talk to them. They will feel like they are doing this YouTube channel a favor, so I don't want. And I'm talking the fact. Claudia, where is the coldest place in Kenya? Limuru, Mount Kenya. Limuru, we have Limuru, the coldest place, and Mount Kenya. Yes, I hope I'm not skipping anyone's comment. Thank you guys for joining. Subscribe if it's your first time. So if you're, for those who are joining right now, I am looking for 2 or 3 people. We go to Jamaica together. We are going to Jamaica. We are going to Jamaica. We are going to Jamaica. Alan. Hello, Claudia. A very humble good evening to you, my dear. Our program is moving well. Continue. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm happy that you are enjoying today's live. So, Alan, are we going to Jamaica? Are we going to Jamaica? The coldest place in Jamaica is the Blue Mountain. Where is it located? In which parish? In which parish? Mungai Libali. Hi dear, thank you so much for joining. Where are you watching Claudia Walks from? Where are you watching Claudia Walks from? So just know that as long as we have some Caribbean people, Jamaican people here, I will know once we get there, we can't get lost. They will be there to guide us. We don't have to struggle. We have good people here. We have Clinton, we have Norman, we have Silver. I can see Jamaicans here. Shendrak from Tanzania. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome and subscribe if it's your first time. Feel at home. This is where you belong. Hapa karibu nyumbani. Karibu nyumbani. Jihisi nyumbani. Subscribe. So yes, guys. Those who are willing to accompany us, follow me on my Instagram account, that is Claudia Walks. Tell me, Claudia, you know what? I'm willing to go with you. We will go. We will go. So if you are a Kenyan, have just a minimum. If you are a Kenyan, have a minimum of 400,000 Kenyan shillings. How many dollars? How many dollars? A lot of dollars. An acre of land here. Those who are joining right now, thank you so much. So that will be like $3105, 3,105 US dollars. So if you're willing to go, please don't be left behind. If you're willing to go, don't be left behind. Just comment if you are willing to go. So Clinton, I just want to know the Blue Mountain area is in which parish? The Blue Mountain area is in which parish? And also promise me I will see you there. Promise me that I will see you in Jamaica. Thank you for those who are joining right now. I am trying to request, if you are, I don't want anyone to say that I went to Jamaica, I did not tell you. Maybe you will be, once I go there, maybe I won't be posting video. I'll be posting video when I come back. You will be telling me, oh, Claudia, you in Jamaica, can I meet you? No. The Blue Mountain is found in the parish St. James. In the parish St. Andrew, but the mountain ranges from Portland in the east to St. James in the west. But we are going to visit the Portland. I think we will be able to see it. Ravi, hello my dear. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. Welcome to today's live. Like and subscribe if it's your... I know it's not your first time. Just like, you will definitely see me, Claudia. I can't wait. You guys, I'll meet you all. That's what I know. Portland, St. Thomas, St. Andrew, St. Elizabeth. We have St. James, St. Andrew. We have St. what? St. Han. How are you today? I am good. What about you, my dear? I am good. What about you? Are you okay? Have you liked the live? So only three people, me and two others, and it's not limited. Anyone can join. Maybe if we go like 5-10 people, it will be more cheaper. Maybe. And also, the reason why I'm trying to say that is because I just want to book the ticket as early as possible. Yes, before the price goes up. Yes, I'm okay. I'm happy that you are okay, my dear. Thank you so much for those who are joining. Like and subscribe if it's your first time. Hey, Claudia, Jamaica is a very mountainous country. Really? More than Kenya? More than Kenya? More than Kenya? Chelsea, you need to come to Kenya. So the reason why I'm trying to update you as early as possible is we need to book the tickets as early as possible before the prices goes up. You know, things normally changes here a lot. Willing to go follow me on my Instagram, Claudia Walks. Willing to go, Claudia Walks. And then what? Just go and text me over there. We will discuss the rest. We will have to discuss the rest. And then the good thing is that we have people who will be taking us around. So no problem with that. We have a YouTuber called Clarity Flex Jamaica. I think he is in St. Thomas. So when we visit there, we will be having someone to take us around. When we go to Portland, I don't know who is there. I think from St. Thomas to Portland is just 3 hours drive. If I am not wrong. I have to Google. Let me Google and see. Let me Google and see. How many hours? 3 to 4 hours. I was correct. I was correct. See you, Claudia knows Jamaica. I see I live there. Claudia, the mountains in Kenya are much higher than those that are in Jamaica. Definitely they are. So you need to come and climb one. You need to come and climb one. We normally climb them. Bonifacius Murega. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. Like the live, and I know it's not your first time I've been seeing you. Thank you, and welcome. Just like the live. So I was saying that Creative Flex in St. Thomas can guide us from St. Thomas to Portland, just 3 to 4 hours. So I don't know how about St. Elizabeth. I don't know how about St. Elizabeth now, because we want to learn also about farming over there. I heard that is the parish where people do farming a lot. We also have Motigo Bay. We also have Kingston. So do we have to hire a tour guide? You guys, do we have to hire a tour guide? But we can manage taking ourselves. If we will be more than 3 or 4 people, we can do it. Jamaica, we can do it. Do you know that here in Kenya, what you normally do, like for example, if I want to go to a new country, not a country, if I want to go to a new town, you know, even if I don't know that town, I'll just take myself there and I will explore that town as if I've been there. I'll know all the streets, I'll know all the routes. Jamaican man, thank you so much and welcome to today's live. Just like the live. Mr. Nelson, thank you so much. Thank you so much for supporting our live. Thank you so much for supporting our live. Be blessed. Be blessed a lot. So we are here talking about going to Jamaica. I need only 3 to 4 people. Me and 2 or 3 others. We go to Jamaica. I personally can't go alone. Me, I'm a lady. I am a woman. I love myself. I can't go there alone. So I need just 2 or 3 people from Africa. We go together. We are 22. Out of 22, can I get 1 person? We already gotten Palosi, Kawanguzi, and another person. They are trying to, they will confirm maybe. They said that they will confirm on my Instagram. That's where I can communicate with you guys. Me, I don't share my number. We have Ashim Tukula nakupenda. Nakupenda. Mishaolewa na YouTube. Mishaolewa na YouTube. Patrick, hi, thank you so much for joining. Like the live and subscribe if it's your first time. If you're willing to go to Jamaica with me, comment down below. We have Patrick. How are you doing? I am doing okay, my dear. How about you? We have Linos. Hi, Claudia. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. Hi, Claudia, St. Thomas and Portland area are joining parishes. So if you are traveling to St. Thomas from the western side of Portland, it will take you maybe less than 3 hours. You see now? That's why we have you here. And that's why we will get you there. That's why we have you here. And that's why we will have you there. So we have a lot of people to guide us. We don't have to struggle. We don't have to struggle about this. So it's already covered. That one is already covered. Which country are you from? I'm from Kenya, Africa. I am from Kenya, Africa. What's your name? My name is Claudia. My name is Claudia. I don't have another name. We are 26. Out of 26, and guy, can I get 2 people we go to Jamaica with? And I say the minimum. The budget, the minimum is 400,000 Kenyan shillings for staying there for 3 weeks, all inclusive. The cheapest. That is the cheapest. But if you want to go and live that luxurious life when you are in Jamaica, just know that it will cost you up to 740,000 Kenyan shillings. That is around 2 or 3 acres of land here, my love. I'm encouraging you at the same time discouraging you. Your name, please. I am not getting you good. I am Claudia. My name is here down. I've pinned my name down here. I have pinned my my name here. So guys, don't worry about my pencil. I don't have a sharpener for doing calculation and drawings. Now, that is it. We are going the cheapest way. All inclusive, the accommodation, the flight tickets and everything. 400,000 Kenya shillings minimum. Ama mtaanza kuniambia hako nikadudu hapa. Mtaanza kuniambia hako nikadudu. Tafadhali. Claudia, since you love farming, you will have to go to St. Elizabeth, which the bread basket of the... Yes, that's why I said that I need to go to St. Elizabeth, because I heard that they do farming a lot. They do farming a lot. I want also to go and join them. Maybe I can go and stick there forever. Anyway, I cannot stick there forever. Can you please spell it for me? Hey? My dear, my name is already pinned down below. Claudia Walks. Claudia. That's my name. That's my name. So if you are watching me and you would love to accompany me to go to Jamaica in the month of June, July, August, between those 3 months, we are choosing 1 month. Just go and text me on Instagram. We start planning. Maybe I might quote a higher price, a higher budget, but maybe we can come up with something to cut the cost. And also remember, in the 400,000, the food and all that, it's all about the street food. No hotel food. No hotel food. I'm trying to go the cheap way. Dennis Kiprop, hello my love, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yamune, Jamge. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm watching you from Liberia, West Africa. Thank you so much, Patrick. Thank you so much, Patrick, for joining. Liberia is one of us. Claudia, it's that your name on your birth certificate. Definitely, that's my name on my birth certificate. Just such a nice name. That's my official name. Claudia on my birth certificate. Hey, missing. I miss also. Kiprop, I miss also. Good evening. What type of the adventure tour you are coming for? So I can tell you where in Jamaica you must go. We already planned the places to go, number one. We want to explore everything, even the beautiful beaches. But the problem is, me, I'm scared of coming alone. I just want some people to accompany me there. I just need company. You know, it's a long journey from Africa to Caribbean, around 24 hours. Are you a Jamaican girl, John? Yes, I'm a Jamaican girl. Yo, Jamaican girl, and I love it. Abel, hi, Abel. Thank you so much for joining. We have Dennis Kiprop. I know your language. I can speak Kalenjin. You on Facebook, please, all passenger. Facebook, I'm Claudia Walks. Though I am not active, but when you text me, I'll see all. When you follow me on Facebook, I am just there. Claudia Walks. Everywhere Claudia Walks. But in some platforms, I am not active. Patrick, what's the main language in Liberia? Patrick, what's the main language in Liberia? Let us know the main language in Liberia. I love Kenya. I love their language, Swahili. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I'm happy that you love Kenya. You love our language. You love Kiswahili. Unapenda Kiswahili chetu. Kiswahili chetu kitama. Thank you so much, Patrick. So, Patrick just wants to know which language you speak in Liberia. Which language you speak in Liberia? As Patrick answers us, I got 2 people who will go to Jamaica together, but they have not confirmed. Can we get more like 5 and 6 or 7 so that we can start from there? Abdullah. Hi, Abdullah. Thank you so much for joining. Those who are watching for the first time, kindly subscribe. Watching for the first time, kindly subscribe. Thank you, guys. Going to Jamaica, want to accompany me, have a minimum budget of 400,000 Kenyan shillings. Thank you so much for the love emojis. Wow, thank you so much. We speak English majority. No, Chelsea, they speak English, eh? They speak English majority. And French maybe. Those countries, they normally, in those areas, they speak mostly French, English, French. Claudia, I love when you speak in Swahili. It's so nice. Mi nakwambia Kiswahili kitamu. Mimi napenda Kiswahili kitamu. Jambo. Let me tell you one thing we will experience when you come to Kenya. First thing, when you land at that JKIA, Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, people will be like, Jambo, karibu Kenya. That's kind of greetings. Hello, welcome to Kenya. Karibu Kenya. Hello. Karibu Kenya, welcome Kenya. Jambo, karibu Kenya. And people will be like, Jambo. You better visit Kenya. You better visit Kenya. Yeah, Yes, man, let's continue. I have up. No, I have up. I hope I have not skipped someone comment. I hope I have not skipped anyone's comments. So, can people volunteer? It's not like volunteer. Anyway, volunteer, just volunteer. As long as you have money, we'll go. I'm looking for a good friend from Kenya to be my best friend, please. I can be your friend, a good one. I can be your friend, only friend. The normal friendship. The normal friendship, me, I am okay with. I can be your friend. Like you because what? Because what? Because what? You want us to go to Jamaica with me? Do you want us to go to Jamaica with me? Let me know, guys. Let me know, guys. If you would love to go to Teddy. Hi, I'm Teddy from Antigua in the Caribbean Sea. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Teddy. Welcome to this YouTube channel. Very amazing. Welcome to the family. Subscribe if it's your first time. And then we are here every day and we are coming to Caribbean. Do you want to join us? Do you want to join us? Do you want to be one of us? Do you want to be one of us? I want to get married in Kenya woman. You want a Kenyan woman? Come to Kenya then. If you want a Kenyan woman, you visit Kenya. If you want a Kenyan woman, visit Kenya. Okay? Yes, we are not going away from our topic of going to Caribbean, guys. I already have 2 people. Can we get 2 more? Please. Can we get 2 more, please? If you are willing to go to Caribbean, Jamaica with me, just comment. Just comment. Just comment. Thank you so much for those who are joining. Karibuni sana kwenye familia, mmekaribishwa, Mungu anawapenda. Yes, now I can sit well, now we talk. Those who are willing to join me to go to Caribbean. Aki simuniambie, wa Kenya mko wapi? Africans, let's go to Caribbean. I'm going to bed. We'll talk tomorrow. Please, you on live tomorrow. Yes, I'm going live tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow I'm 50-50, not sure. It will depend on how my day will start. It will depend on how my day will start. So, I can't promise you. So, I'll see you tomorrow the same time. What time you have over there? My time is 3 p.m. Here, it's exactly 10 p.m. Here, exactly 10 p.m. Usiku. It's at night. People are sleeping. Others are going to sleep. Others are busy making babies. Patrick, Claudia is already married to YouTube. Definitely. Now, Patrick is saying that he wants a woman from Kenya. But if you want someone from Kenya, just come to Kenya. Because I don't, this is not a dating site where I'll be able to give you a Kenyan girl. No. Just come find one for yourself. Me, I'm already taken by YouTube. YouTube is my thing. Baraka Paula, vipi? Poa sana, uko aje Baraka? Uko aje, uko pande gani ya Kenya? Okay, good night. Good night too. Thank you, my love. Good night. Delix. Hi, what's the topic today? The topic is we are going to Jamaica. The topic is we are going to Jamaica. And I need like 4 or 5 people. We go together. Minimum budget, 400,000 Kenyan shillings. 400,000 Kenyan shillings. That is minimum. The cheapest way. 400,000, all inclusive. And maybe it can go up because of the transfers. 7 p.m. in Liberia. It's okay. Just go and sleep. See you tomorrow the same time. And thank you so much for the love, for the support. I hope you have subscribed. Patrick, I hope you have subscribed. Teddy, do you go to church? What is the name of your church? I am a Catholic. I go to a Catholic church. I go to a Catholic church. I'm a Christian. Baraka, niko poa aki, you look so what? I look so what? Sijaribu kuharibu hapa. Thank you guys. Those who are joining right now, thank you so much. Yes, we are going to Jamaica. So let me know. Are you going with me? Or you are expecting Claudia to come? Oh, I'm coming live from Jamaica. Yo, guys, I just want to go with you. We do this thing together. We already have Desert and Palakosi. Those two, but the Desert is going to confirm. Njecha, how do you feel just right now? I'm feeling good. I'm feeling blessed. I'm feeling energized, full of energy. Okay? Yes, so let's go. Let's go and see how Jamaica is, how Caribbean is. Si tutazekea huku Kenya bana. Mbona tunazekea huku Afrika? Born and raised in Kenya. Education Kenya. Kenya, every Kenya. Come, let's go to Jamaica. We change the climate. We change the climate. I am 7 days. I am 7-day Adventist. Do you have 7-day Adventist over? Yes, we have. Yes, we have. A lot. We have. Baraka, yes, we are going together. Definitely. Baraka, go and follow me on Instagram. Text me there. We start planning. We start planning together. Okay? Baraka, go text me on Instagram. My name is there. We start planning this thing together. Norman, Claudia, you are a bit too unmarried. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you so much, my love. Oh, me. And the way my hair is looking bad today. Yo. Anyway. Thank you. Thank you so much. Don't forget that I'm a Kamba. Kambas are always beautiful. Even with shaggy hairs, we look beautiful. Karani. Bana, nakupenda bana. Hama unaonaje? Si pia mimi nakupenda. Aya. Sinakupenda. Umesubscribe kwanza? Have you subscribed? Ebu ndo subscribe ndo tujue kama unanipenda. Just go and subscribe. Vani Shalma, do you remember me, Nyash from India? Yes, I can remember you, my love. How are you doing? How is India? To work or to visit? To visit, just to visit, my dear. And if you go there, you can get a work. You can get a job. You can get a job over there. What in Kenya? What time is it? It's 5 minutes past 10. 5 minutes past 10. Karani. Okay, sawa. Let me do it right now. Please do right now. Ndio kuja hapo uniambie mambo ya kunipenda, sawa? Thank you. We have Charles Dengwa. Hi, Claudia. I am happy for knowing you were a Kamba. I am a Kamba and a proud one. A proud Kamba, Charles. Thank you so much, guys. Let's continue liking the live and also subscribing. We are 30 now. Can we get to 30 likes? And also continue subscribing. We have Jose. Hey, Jose. Hi, Claudia. What about you? Me, I am okay. What about you? I am pretty good. Very much okay. What about you? Are you okay? Are you joining me to the trip to go to Caribbean? Jamaica. I love you so much. You are very beautiful. Thank you. I love you too, my dear. Thank you. And I love you too. I love you too. I'm good. I'm happy that you're good. I am also good. I personally am good because you are good. And you are good because I am good. I really like Kamba. Thank you, Karani. Thank you so much. They are so beautiful. They are nice women. Thank you, guys. Well, we are not going away from our story of going to Jamaica. Can you guys, please? Can we go to Jamaica? Can we go to Jamaica? Thank you. We have eaten 30 likes. Let's continue also subscribing. Let's continue subscribing. Wow, so happy as we. Yes, definitely. Definitely. Claudia, why did you your life ended so abruptly earlier today? No, it was not live. It was a video. Guys, I posted a video. Go and watch. I did that video two years ago. I forgot to post. Guys, I have a lot of videos from the streets which I've not uploaded. I will be uploading one by one. Editing because there are some parts which I cannot post. Yes, just one by one. It was not live, it was a video. Just go and watch. Guys, go and watch. I uploaded a video today. Naomba namba yako my dear. Follow me on Instagram Claudia Walks. Hapo ndio nazungumzianga na watu. Nice voice, Claudia. Thank you. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you so much. By the way, I'm from Nyeri, Kenya. You are beautiful by nature. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my loves. Thank you. You are so amazing too. I'm happy to see you here, guys. So let's continue subscribing and liking. And also, let me know if we are going to Jamaica together. Let me know if we are going to Jamaica together. Are we going to Jamaica together? Jamaica together? Just said how? Hi. Claudia, have a good night. Sawa. Good night too. Thank you. Good night too. Thank you, my love. We have Quiringire Moses. Let me call you Moses. Hello, take me there, please. Don't leave me. I am not serious. Are you serious? By the way, I am serious. If you are serious, go and follow me on Instagram. I am Claudia Walks. The same Claudia here. You will find her on Instagram. My name, pinned my name over here down below. So Moses, go and follow me there. We start planning. Now we are four. We are four. So we want as many people as possible so that if some don't manage, at least will be a good number. Hello, beautiful. How are you doing? Thank you so much, Ahmad. I'm doing okay. What about you? Am I talking too fast today? Am I talking too fast? Saidu Hamad, hi. Aile Ningus. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. Yes, you are beautiful without makeup. I don't apply makeup. I don't do makeup. I'm naturally beautiful without makeup. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let me assure you, we are going to Jamaica together. Thank you so much, Charles Degwa. Ebwenda uni text hapo kwa Instagram. So we have like 2 Kenyans and 2 Ugandans. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ahmad, where are you watching me from? Aileninguse. Yeah, so beautiful girl. Thank you so much. Jonathan, hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. Subscribe if it's your first time. Like the live. So just go and on your screen, you will see something looking like this. Just tap it. If it does not turn blue, double tap it until it turns blue. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. I am single and searching. Me, I am not single. I am not searching. I'm having YouTube as my man. Claudia, Nairobi is very lively at night and it's beautiful. One thing will shock you when you come here. Nairobi city operates like, at night, it operates like daytime. Even right now on the roads, people are walking. People are doing business in the streets. 3 p.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 2 a.m. People are doing business outside. Kinyingili Sam, hello, beautiful. Hello, my love. Thank you so much for joining. Subscribe if it's your first time. I'm from KB. Thank you. Thank you so much, my dear. With grade, do you like to get dominated? Have you subscribed? Have you subscribed? Mary, I can see you. I can see you, Mary. Can we see what? Can we see what? by a big guy. Thank you. Thank you for now. Thank you for now. I'm having YouTube as my everything. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay? Yes. So guys, the streets. Yes, the streets of Nairobi. We're in Kenya, I'm in Nairobi. So guys, if you are going to Jamaica with me, have a minimum cash of 400,000 Kenya shillings. We are not going to move from that story. We are not going to move from that story. Je, hao watu unaongeanga nao, unawajuanga nia yao? Wagani yao unaongeanga nao? Hao wako hapa. Hao wako hapa ni mafans wangu. Hao ni mafans wangu na wajua. Nairobi is a city that never sleeps, definitely. Sam, I want your WhatsApp. I want your what number? WhatsApp number. Go follow me on Instagram. That's where we can talk. I don't give out my number easily. I want a woman from Nairobi. Come to Nairobi. Come to Nairobi. Come to Nairobi. We'll get they are everywhere. They are everywhere. Beautiful ones, eh? Bendandashe Shom, Ethiopia. Yeah! Ethiopia in the house. How are you? Welcome, welcome, my dear. We're not here because this is not a dating site, my love. No, I don't give out my number here. And also on Instagram, I don't give out my number. The only place I can communicate with my fans is Instagram. And also it will depend with with whatever we are going to discuss. If it's something which we can discuss about business, about YouTube, yes. Other things, no. You like William Ruto? William Ruto is my president. William Ruto is my president. Okay, no problem. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. Bye for now, dear. Have a good night. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Those who are joining right now, kindly subscribe, share with your friends, tell them that we are live. And also tell me if we are going to Jamaica together. Let me know. You like Isaiah's Afewa. What is that? What is that? Me, I'm not getting you. Just type it in English. I will understand. Type it in English. Now I will understand. All my fans will understand. So remember that, guys, we have 4 people now. We have 4 people who have just confirmed here that they will be going with me. So we want more people just in case some changes their plans. Overton, Overton is Beth. Hi, good night to you. Thank you. Good night. Isaiah is me. I don't know William Ruto's friends. I don't know. I don't know them. I personally, I don't know. You are planning a trip to Jamaica? Yes, we are planning a trip to Jamaica. Can you accompany us? Can we go with you? Can you join us? Those who are joining for the first time, kindly subscribe and also like the live. He is from Eritrea. Oh, okay. Okay, I didn't know now, you know. Basi wasiwasi wangu wanakutakanga asa wanaume, lakini mimi no. Lakini unajua mimi mwenyewe si ati mimi sitafuti mtu. Elewa kwanza, hao ni mafans wangu, lakini mimi sitafuti mtu kwa size. I'm from Jamaica. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching from Jamaica. I can't wait to meet you there. I can't wait to meet you there. I can't wait to meet you there. Sawa. Mimi sisi unaona, mimi sinanga maneno mingi. Mimi sinanga maneno mingi. Let's continue, guys. What type of man do you like? Me? I don't say like I like men. I do not say that I'm looking for a man. I do not say that I'm looking for a man. I already have a man who is Mr. YouTube. I have a man who is Mr. YouTube. Who is you guys? You are my man. Yeah, Jamaica is very nice. I can't wait to visit Jamaica. And also, I'm looking for someone who will be showing us around there. Because we are coming as a group. Nairobi, Ethiopia. Oh, yeah. Nairobi, Ethiopia, Nairobi. Oh, yeah. Share this live. Share this live. Share this live, my dear. Share this live. We have a next world. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. How are you doing? How are you doing, my love? Thank you, guys. Thank you those who are joining right now. Welcome. Welcome. If you are planning to go to Jamaica, comment down below. Thank you those who are joining. Karibuni sana. Welcome. Subscribe. If you are planning to go to Jamaica, comment down below. Ethiopia, Nairobi. When are you visiting Nairobi? When are you visiting Nairobi, my dear? When are you planning to visit Nairobi? Guys, are we not going to Jamaica? We would like you to bring Unfiltered Maria. She's a nice lady. She's a YouTuber like you. Who is young Maria? Who is Maria? Kwani vile ni Mkenya na mimi ni Mzanzibari, ninapendanga sananga kuongea na mke wangu ambaye ni Mkenyanga. Jamani. inakuwa vizuri lakini ni sawa tu, italingana pia, inategemea. Zanzibar naje hivi karibuni. Guys, are we going to Jamaica or not? Already we have 4 people. Me 5. We want like more 3 or 4 to see if we can make efforts. We go as a group. She's from Kenya, but she is in Florida now. Okay, no problem. I'll check her out. What's her YouTube channel name? What's her YouTube channel name? It's name Unfiltered Maria. Let me check. Let me check right now. Okay, if you talk to her, tell her to follow me. To follow me so that we can go together. Unfiltered Maria. Thank you so much for those who are joining right now. Welcome, feel at home. Yes, I've seen her. I welcome you. I welcome you to Congo. Okay. Okay, Congo. Congo we will explore. We'll visit Congo. I've never been here. I've never been there. Congo, I don't know why I forgot Congo. Congo is in which part? West Africa, right? Yes, now I've seen her YouTube channel. I've subscribed. Tell her to subscribe to mine too. Unfiltered. Thank you for those who are joining right now. Karibuni sana, feel at home, subscribe, and let us know if you're going to Jamaica with Claudia Works. Let us know if you're going to Jamaica with Claudia Works. Let me know if you are going to Jamaica with Claudia Works. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you. Let's continue subscribing. Let's continue liking. Those who are joining right now, I can see some new people are joining. Thank you so much. So let me know if you're going to Jamaica. If you are willing, comment down below or go follow me on Instagram, Claudia Works, Clalo Queen. Go follow me on Instagram. I am Claudia Works. Those who are joining, thank you so much. Karibuni sana. Mujisi nyumbani, feel at home. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining today's live. Thank you guys, you're so amazing. Honestly, I like the way you are. Oh, you see, we are 21. I like the way we are supporting this YouTube channel. But can we support also? We go to Jamaica, Caribbean fans, our brothers and sisters are waiting for us. Come to Ethiopia. Definitely I'll come to Ethiopia. Ethiopia is a big country. A very beautiful country. Let me know, guys, if I'm talking fast today. If I am too fast. Ethiopia is just a nice country. One of the best countries ever. And before I forget, I uploaded a video. Go and watch. Go and watch that amazing video I uploaded today. I uploaded a video today. Just go and watch the video. Like and subscribe. Yep. Joining for the first time, like, subscribe. Hey, we are at 34 likes. We are at 34 likes. I know some people are going to sleep and others have already gone to sleep. So, those who are going to sleep right now, you can have a good night. Those who will be left here, ask me any question and also tell me that we are going to Jamaica. Thank you so much for those who are joining right now. We are 22. Thank you. Thank you so much. Are we going to Jamaica? If you want to go to Jamaica, just comment down below or you go follow me on Instagram. I am Claudia Works. Claudia, I am Claudia Works. Claudia Works. Claudia Works. Soon she will be walking on the streets again. Walking on the streets again. Beautiful streets of Nairobi. Beautiful streets of Nairobi, Kenya. Thank you for the likes. We have a Mike Motivation TV. Thank you so much, my love. Hi. Subscribe if it's your first time here. Welcome. Feel at home. We have Joy West, Belly Eva. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. We have Peter Munga. Kitale nimeingia. Hey, watu wa Kitale, jamani. Hello. How are you doing? Thank you so much for joining. Like the live and also subscribe if it's your first time here. Yes, and also we are planning to go to Jamaica. I need people who are willing we go to Jamaica together. I want people who are willing we go to Jamaica together. Honestly, good people with good hearts. Don't allow me go alone. I'm still children. Don't allow me go alone. Duncan, I'm here. We're late. Welcome, Duncan. So we are going to Jamaica. I need already we have 4 people. We need like 10. Let's say 10. So that if some people decide not to go, at least we'll be like 4, 5, 6, somewhere there. We already have 4 and me 5. I need more. We are planning a trip to go to Jamaica. Come June, July, whole August. We'll choose 1 month either there. Kitale doing good and a governor. Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing. I would like to visit Kitale. Kitale the weather there is so good. Farming. It does well. Now the problem is it's far. Kitale, it's a bit far. How far is Kitale from Nairobi? How many hours? A whole day, right? Those who are joining right now, thank you so much and welcome. Thanks for Jamaica. Count me in. You see? Duncan, I said I count him in. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Duncan. Go and follow me on Instagram, Claudia Works. My name is here. You will see the same Claudia here. Hey. Now we are 6. We are 6. We are 6, guys. Can we get to 10? Can we get to 10? Thank you so much, Duncan. Can we get to 10? Salim Kalume. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining, my darling. Subscribe if it's your first time. We have Kitale to Nairobi 8 good hours. Me, no. Yes, I said Kitale is far. The soil, the temperature, the weather there is so good. But the problem is that it's far. Yahahamahamado. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you guys. Thank you, guys. You are so amazing. We are 6 now. We are including Nankan. We are 6 now. Can we go to Jamaica, man? Those guys have been our biggest supporters here. You included. Can we surprise them? Can we surprise them by visiting their country? What is your name? I am Claudia. I am Claudia, my love. Subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel if it's your first time. Also, my Instagram account is Claudia Walks. Claudia Walks. Go subscribe there. Go follow me there. And also subscribe here. So if you're willing to go with me to Jamaica, comment. Comment down. Comment down. I don't want to leave you behind. From Kenya, Africa. From Kenya, Africa, my dear. From Kenya, Africa. Subscribe. Subscribe. Any Jamaican with us. Clinton was here. Silverfox was here. Mr. Nelson was here. We had, did I say Silverfox? We have Norman. We have Jamaican Man. We have, let me read their names. We have Overton. We have many people from Jamaica here. We have many people from Jamaica here. If you're watching from Jamaica, just comment below and just know that we love you so much and we are coming to Caribbean. All, not only Jamaica, but also Caribbean. How old are you? Hi, personally, I wish I knew my age, my darling. I wish I knew my age. Even me, I don't know my age. Even me, I don't know my age. But what I know is that I am old enough to make babies. I am old enough to make babies. Are they ready to host? Definitely they are ready. They are ready. We are planning for a 3-week trip. They're only 3 weeks. Maximum. And those who want to extend, you can extend. But for me, 3 weeks, we are done. We wait until next time I come. Yahaya Mahamadu. Hi. So Jamaican people are ready for us. They are very ready for us. So it's us who are holding them. So we are 6 now. Guys, let's continue. Do I call it volunteering? I don't know how to call it. Welcome, Kenya, my love friend. I'm in Kenya. Salim Kalume. Mimi niko Kenya. Mimi Mkenya mwenzako. I'm in Kenya, my darling. I'm in Nairobi. We are planning to go to Jamaica in the month of either August. Oh, June, July, or August. Hi, baby, love you. Have baby yet? How do you don't know your name? Wow. No, I said that I don't know my age. I said I don't know my age. Lampard. Only Lampard. I said that I don't know my age. I wish I knew my age, you guys. I could have told you earlier. Way back. Subscribe if it's your first time, guys. You look 16. Really? Thank you. Thank you. Here in Kenya, let me tell you one secret in Kenya. Here we don't get old. We are ever 16. Sweet 16. We are ever sweet 16, my loves. Ever sweet 16. I'm just here, guys. Continue commenting. Connecting my phone to charge. Yes, let's continue, guys. Yes, I look sweet 16. How do you do? In terms of what? In terms of what? Thank you so much for those who are joining right now. Welcome. You're so amazing. Subscribe. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. We are 25. Can we like the live to get to 40 likes? Thank you so much. Yes, your age. I don't know that gorgeous lady. You know, as ladies, we don't talk about our ages. We don't talk about our age. We respect our age. But I am almost 40 years. I am almost 40 years old. Almost 40 years old, but sweet 16. Can someone from Jamaica find one member of Morgan Heritage? Those guys are ours. Clinton, Chelsea, Norman, where are you guys? Good night, Kalume. Thank you so much for your time, for the love, for the support, and for everything. See you tomorrow, same time. Let's get to 40 likes, my loves. My loves, let's get to 40 likes. Let's get to 40 likes. I said if you're watching through your phone, you will see something looking like this. Just tap it. If it does not turn blue, double tap it until it turns blue. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, those who are joining. I can see new members. Thank you. Subscribe. Subscribe. La, 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 la. Subscribe, guys. Thank you for the 40 likes, guys. You are so amazing. That's why I love you. You see? That's why I am here. I love you. Ikechu Kungungu. Hi. Hello. Welcome, my love. I'm in Jamaica now. Girl, Kingston here. Duncan, get in touch with Onel Lampart. He is in Jamaica, Kingston. Jamaica, Kingston. Are you ready for us? We are coming. We are coming for you. Imagine we are coming for you. Thank you so much for those who are joining right now. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Sorry for that. Thank you, my loves. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Those who are new here, welcome. I need to charge my power bank. Thank you guys for joining. I hope I've not skipped anyone's comment. Claudia, when you talk in Swahili, please translate to English so that we can understand and learn Swahili. Yay! Already you know nakupenda. And today you have not told me the word nakupenda. You don't love me anymore. You don't love me anymore, my dear. You don't love me anymore. All right, is Morgan. Just listen to this. I'll be translating in Swahili. Okay. Is Morgan Heritage still in the country? That is from Duncan. Is Morgan Heritage still in the country? Let me see you, okay, when? Me here. Me here. Me here. Dan is asking a question. Guys, you Jamaican, can you answer Dan? Claudia nakupenda. Oh, thank you. Nakupenda pia. Nakupenda pia, asante. Asante sana. Asante means thank you. Let me type it. Asante means thank you. Peter Hotim, hello. Thank you for joining. Asante means thank you. Asante, thank you. You see, Clinton. So then can I ask a question? Is Morgan Heritage still in the country? Peter, where are you watching me from? Like the live and also subscribe if it's your first time. Let's continue liking and subscribing. Yes, they here. You can see now. He's there. Dan. Yes, Morgan Heritage is there. Those who are joining, we are 25. Thank you so much, guys. Let's continue liking and subscribing if it's our first time. Today the live is so amazing. Guys, let's continue liking and subscribing. You are watching me and you have not subscribed. Why? Can you subscribe? Can you subscribe, guys, if you're watching this for the first time? And if you're willing to go with us to Jamaica, comment down below. All text me on Instagram. I am Claudia Walks. Claudia Walks, my name is here. Go follow me there. We discuss about the budget. I said that maybe we can come up with a lower budget. Maybe my budget is too high for you. So we can discuss and try to see if what is manageable, what we can manage. Thank you guys for joining. Subscribe if it's your first time. Subscribe if it's your first time. AJT777, hello, how are you doing? I am doing okay myself. I thank God I'm here and I'm happy to see you. I'm happy to see you. Like the live and subscribe. How was your day? My day has been good. What about yours? What about yours? Claudia Morgan Heritage family have a house in St. Thomas, but most of the time they are touring. Duncan, you have heard that they have a house in St. Thomas, but most of the time they are touring. So it means that they don't live in Jamaica. Maybe they are in US. Baraka. Me, I don't understand. Make it in English. And when you come in Jamaica, baby love. Thank you so much. I'm coming either June, July, or August. I'll update you. I'll keep on updating you guys. Every day. The trip, I'll start by planning it with you. You see, like if you have been watching me, we planned the areas that I'm gonna visit. We already planned the areas we are gonna, the places we are going to visit, and also right now we want to include more people to see if it can work, and now start budgeting everything. Abdul, hi my love, thank you so much for joining. Thank you, Abdul. How are you? Good to be on your life. My day was productive. I'm happy that your day was productive. Thank you so much. That's our prayer every day. And I'm praying tomorrow your day will be productive too. Good. Yeah, they have a touring. They have a house in Kenya in a place called Nakuru. Love it. Yes, Morgan Heritage is having a house here in Kenya, Nakuru. That is from, and then me, I didn't know. I told you guys we are learning. Hey, hey, Claudia, Clariflex live close to them. So when you come, he can take you there. Yes, definitely. Definitely, I know Clariflex, Jamaica. Go and subscribe to his YouTube channel. He's an amazing YouTuber from St. Thomas. So maybe he is a good person. I think he will be taking us around. I don't know about the other places. I don't know about the other places. Abdul, hi. How are you? Thank you so much for joining. If you're watching for the first time, welcome, and also subscribe. We are many. Today the live was so good. The live is so good. If you are new here, subscribe and also join us as we plan to go to Jamaica. We don't want to leave you behind. You guys, we don't want to leave you behind. We don't want to leave you behind. Today I did not check our subscribers. We have gained how many? Yesterday we were planning to get to 4,900. I don't know how many remaining we get there. I hope we'll get there. I don't know. It's not showing me, but anyway, subscribe if you are watching for the first time. If you are watching for the first time, subscribe. Let's take this channel to the next level. Give me your number, please. I don't give out my number. Go and follow me on Instagram. I am Claudia Walks. That's the only place we can communicate, and also it will depend what you are communicating there. Remember, I said that I am a very professional person. I don't entertain some nonsense. If it's business, if it's about content creation, well and good. But other things, I'm not going to respond negativity. No, I am not going to. So just know that when you're texting me on Instagram, just have that respect. Okay, baby, do that Jamaica now. Yes, we are coming to Jamaica the month of May, June, July, and also maybe August. So stay tuned, stay tuned. Subscribe and also put that notification bell so that you can be updated. Nowadays, we are going live almost every day. For the budget, we can do the lowest. I think they have Airbnbs. Definitely. That's why I was saying that we will go with the cheapest. If it's about the food, we'll be going for the street food. Like the way sometimes we do here. Sometimes we don't want to cook in our houses. Just go to the streets. Eat from there. Or buy food. Come home. Yes. And maybe if we don't want to buy those food from the streets, we can plan to be cooking ourselves. I personally know how to cook and I love to cook. Until you stay with me. That's when you will know that I don't know how to cook. Oh, Mose, Obed Mose, babe, hi, how are you doing, my love? Thank you so much for joining. If it's your first time, kindly subscribe. So Duncan, we are going with the lowest. We are trying to see if we can lower the budget. Claudia, she is on live right now too, and I told her that is Unfiltered Maria. Okay, thank you so much. Maybe once you subscribe to my channel, we will get in touch. We'll get in touch. Wow, I've seen your hair. For the first time, you guys are seeing my hair. But I always cut it. Like this one, I'm going to cut it to keep it low. But you won't notice. I love to keep my hair low. So this one, I'm going to cut it low very, very soon. I don't know why, but anyway, because I am used to when I was a kid, primary school, high school, I used to cut my hair low. And also maybe when I was in campus until now. That can you stop? I'm seeing you. Guys, let's continue subscribing and liking. We are 6. Now can we get to 10 people? Have you subscribed, guys? Have you subscribed? Like the live, and also remember I've uploaded a video. Go and watch that video, and also yes, like and comment. Those who are planning to go with us, comment down below, or you go and text me on Instagram. Go and text me on Instagram, Claudia Walks. What about Pauline? She is a YouTuber too from Kenya. Pauline Ho. The way I don't know, actually the way I don't know them, the way they don't know me. You see now? Chaltulencho. Hi, my love. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome. Tell them if they, Overton, tell them if they want to go to Jamaica with me, they can send me a message on Instagram, Claudia Walks. So that we can start now planning the budget. If you're watching this and you have not subscribed, can you subscribe, guys? It is free. Okay. Thank you so much for the love, for the support, Overton. You are so amazing. Trying to connect people, and I love that. Those who have not subscribed, can you subscribe, my loves? Watching me and you have not subscribed is one of the biggest mistakes. Imagine. Watching me and you have not subscribed. Subscribe, guys. So we will plan on to see if we can get a lower budget of that. Guys, joining for the first time, subscribe. Guys, the time has gone. It's 9 minutes to 11. So I'll be here for the next 10 minutes. It's getting late and tomorrow I'm waking up early. Them is my YouTuber friend, very nice people. Thank you so much. And I'm happy to hear that they are nice people. We can connect each other. We need to support each other. We need to unite. We need to be one. Those who are joining right now, thank you so much and subscribe. Those who are joining right now, welcome and subscribe. Subscribe. Let's subscribe, guys. Let's subscribe. I'm here for only 10 minutes and then I leave. 10 minutes and then I go. Those who want to go to sleep, have a lovely night. Those who want to go to work, enjoy your day. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. From where you're watching me from. And thank you so much for the love and for the support. Those who are joining right now, kindly subscribe. Joining right now, you need to subscribe. Joining right now, subscribe. Going to sleep, have a lovely night. Going to sleep, have a lovely night. We are here for only 8 minutes. 8 minutes and we call it a day. And also don't forget that we will be going live tomorrow, or the day after tomorrow, depending on how my day will be. So we hope it will be a good day for me. It will not be a busy day for me so that I can be able to catch up with you, my loves, my darlings. Thank you for those who are joining right now. Thank you so much. I'm happy to see you here. If you are new here, subscribe and tell me if we are going to Jamaica. Tell me if we are going to Jamaica. Lovely night to all. Love you guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye for now, Dan. Thank you. Thank you for your time, for the sacrifice. We love you too. We love you too. We are here for only 6 minutes and then we end the live. It's late. It's 5 minutes to 11 p.m. here. And me waking up at 5 a.m. Me waking up at 5 a.m. It's something else. Joining, subscribe. If you're joining for the first time, kindly subscribe. Those who are joining right now, thank you and welcome. Welcome, subscribe. Tell me if we are going to Jamaica together. Tell me if we are going to Jamaica together. Tell me if we are going to Jamaica together. So guys, I have only 5 minutes remaining, so if you have any question to ask me, you can still ask. But first, you let me know if we are going to Jamaica together. If we are going to Jamaica together. Janet, good evening from side, my darling. You doing? I am doing okay. What about you? Thank you so much for joining. How are you, dear? Are you good? From where you're watching me from? I have only 5 minutes. It was an amazing live. We've gotten around 6 people. Oh, we will be planning to go to Jamaica together. So if you want us to go to Jamaica together, comment down below, or you go follow me on Instagram. I am Claudia Walks. I am Claudia Walks. Time to go to sleep. 3 minutes to 11 p.m. here in Kenya, Africa. So those who are going to sleep right now, I'm wishing you a good night, good day, good afternoon from where you're watching me from. So I have only 4 minutes remaining and I end the live. Watching this and you have not subscribed, it's a big mistake. Big mistake. Watching and you have not subscribed. Subscribe, man. Subscribe, guys. This week, at least we hit 5,000 subscribers. At least we hit 5,000 subscribers this week. Yes, I am good. I am good also, and I am happy that you are good. I am happy that you are doing okay. So tomorrow we are going live at exactly 8:30. Exactly at 30, but if I'll get enough time, maybe I can start early. But if I don't get that time, I'll start the same time I've started today, like 8:30. I know I was late with around 10 minutes, but tomorrow I'll try to keep time. And if you don't see me tomorrow here, just know that my day has been a busy one. So I could not manage, but I'll try my best. I'll try my best. Thank you so much for those who are joining right now. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe if it's your first time. Like and subscribe if it's your first time. Those who are joining right now, karibu sana, feel at home. Daniel, hi my love. Hi my love, Daniel. Thank you so much for joining. How are you doing, Mr. Daniel? How are you doing? And thank you so much for joining this live. I'm waiting for you to ask any question. Also, you tell me that, or you tell me if we are going to Jamaica together. You tell me on my Instagram, Claudia Walks. We'll discuss there, plan the budget and all that. And after we are done with the discussion, we'll come here and tell our fans what we have decided, the budget and all that, so that they can be aware of what's going on. My beautiful, how are you? I am okay. What about you? I am okay. What about you? Have you subscribed to this amazing YouTube channel, Daniel? Have you subscribed? Have you subscribed? I have only 1 minute and then I end the live. It's late. It's 1 minute to 11 and I need to sleep because I'm waking up early in the morning. Early rise. Oh my God. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for the love, for the support, for the time you have been here. I don't take it for granted, for the support and everything. So, have a good night rest. Thank you so much, my love. Have a good, is it afternoon? Let me count. 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Have a good evening. Have a good evening. Sorry. Have a good evening. I can see people are joining while we are heading the live. Oh my God. We are 20 people watching and we are heading the live right now. What am I going to do with you guys? Tomorrow, don't miss. Tomorrow, don't miss. Okay? Make sure you join early. Subscribe also if it's your first time. Subscribe if it's your first time. So guys, without any further ado, let me wish you a lovely night, good morning, good evening, good afternoon from where you're watching Claudia Walks from. See you tomorrow, same time. Oh, we are 22 and we are going to sleep. I'm coming now. I don't know what you are talking about. I am already subscribed. Thank you so much, my love. I am saying that we are going to Jamaica. We are going to Jamaica, Caribbean. So if you want to go with me, just follow me on my Instagram. I am Claudia Walks. tell me that you want to go to Jamaica with me, okay? We are trying to plan. The trip will be either in the month of June, July, or August. Between those 3 months, we will decide, okay? I think we are together up to there. I think we are together. So my name is Claudia Walks on Instagram. Go and text me there. Tell me that you want to go with me to Jamaica, so that we can start planning from there. We come up with a budget. We are going with the lowest budget. So yes, we will discuss about it. And also we'll come here to let others know what we have planned, what we have decided, so that also if there's someone who is willing to go, not to be left out. Not to be left out. So guys, let me go to sleep. So see you tomorrow, same time, same time. And just know that I love you so much. I love you so much. So guys, bye for now. I love you guys. Bye for now.